on here. Right, I'm going to put up my. I haven't put up this up for. Well, I put this under blanket on, but I've not put this mosquito net, lad. Which I wanted to see if it'll all work with what I did before when I did the DD Super Light hammock, and then I did the All Life Sun Breeze under blanket hammock under blanket. But I've not put this on with it. I want to see if it'll all go together. So be a bit of a trial and error, but let's see if I can do it. Right. First of all, I have it already set up near enough. Just come straight out, and usually I clip that one to this side here. And proper carabiners. Right, following me now here. Come on. Right, then go to the other side. Put it up there. So that's the hammock on, and then. Under that one side, and then back. Try and make it as quick as possible for that. Obviously when I get to a camp I can just get it in and done straight away. Not messing about. So the next thing is get this under blanket. Right. And I set this up before, so I'm hoping it should just go together quite easy. And that is literally adding the little slot there, flipping in. Right, I'm going to have to pause this video. Someone was at the door. Right, so I've just clipped these two carabiners on here, and then the other two at the other side should do the same. And just pull it up. Put it up like this. Like that. So yeah, untwizzle him out. There it is. And that's that done. Now this is where it's going to get tricky, because this has to go through on one